Hey everyone, we're marking our trails. Okay, our trail. What is it?
Brandon with a hug. Oh, Brandon, I love you.
Love you too. I marked this trail. Ah! Marked it. Well, I'm in now. I age. Guys, wait up. Wait up for me. Here is Kylie and here's Landon.
Oh yeah, and we're on. Say we're in the wild.
I know. We're in the wild.
Yeah.
We have marks, but we're making marks. Write the same initials we did last time.
I'll do that on another.
Okay.
I just little markers.
Yeah,
You can use that.
Hi, I have a phone. Landon! HBH. Brennan Horn, which, call me Owen now. Call me Owen. Call me Owen. Landon's way up there. If you can see him, leave a comment so below. You'll be able to see him. Woo! Oh wait! But Brennan Horn, I put an O. For Brennan Horn Owen. My last name's Owen. Change my last name to Owen.
Schools are closed for buddy. Christmas holidays.
Our